In the bottom right corner, click Pages, and you can see at the bottom there are page thumbnails for each page. So if you want to go to page 4, simply click on this page. If you want to get an overall view, you can also come to the bottom right and click Grid View. And now you have an overall view of all your pages. So if you have, let's say, for example, 50 pages or 100 pages, you can easily see where each page is using Grid View. And you can move things around by clicking Ctrl Shift if you're using a PC laptop, and you can drag things around and move them to different locations if you choose to do so. So, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.